On this episode of Bad Tree Productions,
we're not working on a duster. We're working on J-Bo's Dakota.
what happened to the duster?
It's gone.
Oh.
What we have here today is a 1998 Dodge Dakota extended cab, short box. They're all kind of a short box, I think. I think in the generation before this they made a long box. She's got 318 cubes and really loose battery terminals. That road here like this. Anyway, J-Bo just picked this fine beauty up for little to nothing, and what we are going to do is replace this fender, put a new headlight in, bumper. This fender ain't too shabby.
Inner fender well.
Yeah, inner fender well. So here's the body panels that are going on.
Cool.
And more parts. So basically, he got this thing pretty damn cheap, and he wants to use it as a winter punisher.
Right.
Or what do you call it? A winter beater? I don't know.
Beater with a heater?
Beater with a heater. I do like these side rails though.
They're kind of trick looking.
Yeah, they're kind of neat. Good for strapping on downs and whatnot and have-yous. But yeah, it needs a headlight, needs the fender replaced. Jeez! You may have seen this truck in the background in the last episode.
Yeah.
So, we're going to work on this thing. Oh, geez, this road over here like that. We didn't really scope it out too well. We just went and grabbed it, threw a battery in the hole, and kind of fired up, and here we are. We'll see how
Does he know we took this?
I said maybe tomorrow we'd pick it up.
So he knows.
Yeah, it's kind of like overhauling.
No, it's all staged.
What do you mean? And this isn't staged.
And Chip Foose is not painting this truck.
Chip Foose is going to hook us up with wheels.
Some wheels and some paint.
Yeah. He's going to doodle us out a sketch of what this thing's going to look like slammed.
Ooh, subwoofers, because I think that's what Jay would like.
Yeah.
You know how they do that overhaul behind the scenes.
Right.
Dad would love
Subwoofers.
subwoofers.
Subwoofers for sure. Probably put some Pirelli
P0
like
22s.
rubber bands on them. But yeah, it's got cancer. It's from where? Wisconsin? Yeah, this one came from Boscobel, Wisconsin.
Yeah, Wisconsin.
So this will be our little midweek project until we pull the duster back in the weekend and
Do a good maintenance.
yeah, get it churched up. Maybe just the carburetor a little bit more. But yeah, that's what we got going on for this week. So stay tuned. We'll get back with you tomorrow.
It's cold in here.
That's a battery temp sensor. Just a shit on clip. Are you familiar with those clips?
Mm-hmm. So I put in my long hair.
This is this probably needs to come off.
Shit.
These two bolts right here.
This wire
These two
loom
bolts
too.
here. Jeremy. Those are like 13, I believe. This is. I suppose this is attached to.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Is
wait.
this it too?
Yep, that's part of it.
Yep. I got my buzzer. You want it?
Does it? Oh.
Yeah, it's right there.
We got a tool sponsor finally.
Well, I've got another battery of yours too.
The stocky.
Do you want it?
Well, oh. There you go. Taking this old junky fender off, it was all smashed in by a tree.
A tree? A tree?
You were putting in another junky fender. It's the same color. It kind of matches the junkiness of the truck.
That's a good thing.
Just kind of making it blend. We don't want to put new parts on it and make one part look really, really good. Know what I'm saying?
Right.
All right.
So what are your intentions with this truck?
I don't know. Get it up and running really good so that it's dependable daily driver material.
Triple
like
his
in
money.
the winter time. And then maybe we'll do I'd like to kind of do some plans and figure out what the cost would be to make it kind of a power wagon look-alike type vehicle. Well, we'll see. It'd be fun to do.
Joey.
Oh. Oh! There it goes. Gently. Hang on, got a ground here. Okay. All right, let's take a break.
Okay.
Jay can hold that.
We'll be back.
Man, life is nice.
Is that working?
Yeah.
It's got a Wisconsin's plate on it.
Ooh,
It's got fog lights in it too.
that'll save you some money on registering it.
Oh.
Where's that shorty extension? On the ground, where I was just at.
There it is right there. Got her.
Oh, I met a fan today.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was he from Canada?
No.
Well, what the hell?
Yeah, a deputy or something.
Oh.
Local county boy. He goes, "Hey, I've been watching the videos.
Oh,
You
yeah.
guys are pretty entertaining." I'm like, yeah, for us two idiots, I guess.
Right.
All right. I'm gonna say that's enough. It bounced a little.
Stops off the body. Just put some tape on this. This got screwed down yet too.
Like how? From the bottom?
No, I think from the top.
Oh, right there. Right here. You want the light?
Sure. Right here.
I knew that was coming. I just knew it.
That's classic.
Hold it where I tell you to hold it.
There you go.
Is that all foobarred inside?
That one needs to come off too. The two turn signals are in the headlight already, but it is messed up. Damn it. I don't know if you can pull on that again or.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, that's messed up.
That's all broken.
Yeah. Ah, I got it.
Ooh, that is
here's
really foobarred. Dead.
I've got a bunch of these at home. I don't know if I got one of these or not. This. I'll just have to go to Walmart and look them all up, and I'll just get new bulbs.
Okay, so we can do the grill and the bumper then. Is it all on there?
Wait a minute.
I'm not shutting it all the way, Jay.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
There's not-
Oh, I haven't gotten that last
I don't
one.
think it's gonna go any further.
What do you mean?
It's just a little weird looking here. But
Right.
there. Fixed it. Ooh. It's like an episode of Doctor Who.
So what do you think?
Looks like your mom's RT kind of.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh. This is the after shot.
Didn't take very long.
Pigtail for the headlight, or is that turn signal?
Pigtail for turn signal. All new turn signal bulbs.
Headlight bulb.
Tank strap. Bolts. Unless they may already be in place yet. And I've got a torque converter solenoid and governor pressure solenoid.
Is that why the train's kind of funny?
Yeah.
Almost
It would
like
have been okay if you just would have put it down into first and then just rode through the gears.
Oh, okay. I was pretty easy on it, but
Because it was like in limp
kind of
mode.
slippy almost, or
I mean, like in third, like it was in third. Like you were starting out in third. I
right,
guess, right? Or
kind of.
whatever.
Yeah.
Weird. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the comment, hit the notification bell.
I think that would work unless you want to try it again.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, and leave us a comment of what you think.
Yeah. Right. So anyway,
That's what I'm getting at.
don't forget to tune in next time. We'll have the duster back in here and do an oil change, plugs, and
Wires.
And what?
Plugs and wires.
Plugs,
maybe
wires. Check cap and rotor out.
Mhm.
Fiddle around with the carburetor again. Get her running just great. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like and do some other stuff. One more thing.
Comment.
Comment. No.
Nailed it.